Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a much-needed Solana update. Was requested by a lot of you. I should have made one yesterday, actually. I think, but right now in these markets, as some of you might be able to understand, there's a lot to cover. Like a lot of cryptos are moving. A lot of people are requesting cryptos, and I cannot cover all. Now it's time for Solana again, though, because we actually need to do an update. Because what I've been telling you in my Solana updates last week, or earlier this week, is that Solana was really, like 3 days ago, was waiting to break above 42.5 and $43 first. And then if it was able to hold that level after finding resistance at $44, which it did right there, it was most likely that Solana would continue rallying up. Now, I think the main price target I had was $50. That was reached, but right now it's still super bullish. And if you go to the daily time frame, it just found resistance at the 1.618 fib of this. That's the extension of this drop down. So that's also very bullish. We're actually higher than we were. I actually did not know that. Solana is actually higher than we were than before the FTX crash. That's amazing. That's amazing for the Solana community. But yeah, this was predicted if you watch my videos. I also in the signals group, I have my own signal group. We also took an entry. That's a bit of a sad story because we took profits right here at $48 at first. We entered at 42.5, and then I usually put my stop loss at entry. I should have put it under the 50 EMA here, but we put it at entry. So we hit take profit. And then got stopped out here. So we missed out on quite a lot of profits, which is sad, but that's trading. We're still making enough money apart from that. Still sad, but all right. So now let's get into Solana. What is the situation right now? Obviously, it's the weekend right now, so I expect a little bit less movement, a little bit less volatility. The volume for Solana right now is probably still insane. The volume for Bitcoin also was/is insane. For Solana, it's $4 billion and it's still increasing. So Solana right now has a lot of momentum. The thing though is that like right now you can see that Solana, the 1.618 fib, this orange line, is the first time Solana found real resistance. And that is because it is a very, very strong Fibonacci level. The 1.618 Fibonacci extension, in my eyes, is one of the strongest Fibonacci extension or Fibonacci levels in general in crypto. So it's kind of what's happening right now is that this bullish momentum that Solana has is battling up against a major resistance level. And I am not sure if Solana is able to break above that. I would say yes, because I also am still bullish on Bitcoin. I still expect bullish momentum from Bitcoin, and I'm bullish on Solana. So I would say yes, but I think it's better. And I hate to do this in these videos because I know most of you just want a prediction. You just want me to say this will happen, that will happen. But right now, I really think it's better to wait for confirmation. All right, because the open interest is strong, but it's also practically flat since yesterday evening. And then apart from that, like with the volume today, a lot can happen. Like the volume will drop down for Solana as well. And then when the volume gets lower and new capital and new trades are opened against that lower volume, that just creates volatility. That could go both ways. So I would say Solana right now is stuck between $54 and $58. And we're either going to see Solana break below $54 and then continue retracing down to 50 and 47.5, which I do think will hold. And then from that support, the most likely scenario is that Solana will still continue rallying up to the price target I have, which is $67 up here. All right, that's in general my price target. Or Solana will be able to break above $58 and then rally up to $67. All right, if it's able to hold $58 as a support, if it breaks above that. All right, so it does need to get some confirmation that it holds. Those are the two things that can happen with Solana. If I would have to give you a prediction, I would say that it's a bit more likely that Solana will pull back down to 50 and 47.5 to catch a bit of a breather while the volume drops down and while the open interest is settling down a bit. I think that's a bit more likely. Something like this, followed by a consolidation right here and probably continuation. But I will keep you updated on that. All right. It's like I said, it's difficult right now for Solana. I will keep you updated on that. For now, these are all of my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know. Lastly, I also have my own premium group and signals group. Like I said, if you wanted to enter Solana with us at a decent entry, then consider joining that. The group is profitable, it's transparent, but that's up to you. Links to that will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.